Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy S23 using the Odin app without data loss. Okay, so first we need to check the current version of our software. To do it, open up the settings, then scroll all the way down, click on About Phone and Software Information, and in here we have our current version of the software. And when it comes to Samsung devices, Samsung allows to install the same version of the software or newer. So that is why we need to know what version we have currently. In my case, that's the latest version. So all I can do is I can simply install the same version once again. But if you have older version, you can easily install the newer or the latest. It's simply impossible to install older version than our current. Okay, and now once we know that, we need to power off our device. So click hold power button and volume down button at the same time until the menu appears and click on power off. In the meantime, on our computer we need to visit our page, HardReset.Info, you can see the link, and then go into download. And we need to install the Samsung drivers. These drivers, click on download, and then we need to install the Odin app, type Odin, and download the latest version 3.14.4, that's this version. Also click on download and install the file. Now, once we have downloaded those two things, open up the downloads folder. We have our Samsung USB driver and the Odin, and we need to extract those two files. So right click on it, you can use WinRAR, simply select it and click on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can always click on extract all and then extract, and it will also work. You need to do it for the Samsung drivers and the Odin. Then open up the folder with Samsung drivers and then launch this app. Go through the installation process, it is really easy. In my case, it's already installed, so I won't repeat that. But if you are installing it for the first time, I highly recommend to restart your computer so you'll have 100% sure that everything has been installed successfully and properly. Then we need to open up a new tab, type S911B firmware. I'm going to use that page, samfw.com, then simply visit the page, then scroll down. You can type your country or the CS code. In my case, I have the European version, so I'll select EUX. Now scroll down again, and in here we have all versions. As you could remember, I had the latest, so in my case I need to download the same version. But let's say that you have this version right in here that ends with DYI3. So you can install the same or newer to update. So have that in mind. And now I'm about to select that. Then scroll down, select the download. You can use those two links. Click on download, and then the button down below. In my case, as you take a look, I have already downloaded it. So now we again need to open up the downloads folder, and we need to extract this file. So again, right click, you can use WinRAR or extract all. In here we have the folder with our software. And now we need to connect our phone into our computer using a USB-C cable, but we need to do it in a specific way because we need to turn on the download mode. To do it, we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them, we need to insert the cable into our phone. Keep holding the buttons after you insert the cable and wait until the menu appears. So hold both volume keys, insert the cable, keep holding. It's really dark, but I think that you can see now that we have this menu. Now click on volume up once, really quickly. Now I can click on volume up to change the brightness, and now we are in the download mode. Now we can launch the Odin app. So go into downloads, find the the Odin, launch the app, the exe file, click on OK, and it is really important that you need to see those numbers right in here under ID.com. Now it means that our phone is properly connected. The Odin app sees our phone, so everything will work. If it doesn't appear, you may have to go into device manager and make sure that you can see the modems and Samsung USB modem right in here. If you don't, you can also click on Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. If it also don't work, you can restart your computer, and also you can restart your phone and then try again. It is simply important that you need to see those numbers, because without it, it won't work. Now click on BL, click on Downloads, select the file with the software, click BL file, click on Open. Now select AP, select the AP file, click on Open. It's going to load longer because it's the biggest file, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, it has loaded. Now click on CP, select the CP file, click on Open, and now select CSC. And now it is really important that you need to select Home CSC, because if you would pick the normal CSC, your device would be factory resetted and you would lose everything. So it is really important that you need to select Home CSC, click on Open. Okay, and now click on Start. Oh, something weird is happening. It doesn't want to begin. So give me a second. Okay, I have unplugged and plugged the cable once again, and you can see that it's going. So now we just need to simply wait until it's finished. It's going to take a little bit, so I'll speed up the video a little bit, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, we are almost at the end. So we need to keep waiting. The phone should reboot right now. Okay, when it says pass, it means that everything went fine. We can close the app. Boom. And we can also unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. The phone should launch at any second, so let's wait. Okay, the phone has turned on. We can click on swipe, and now everything is ready to use. Everything is fully working, as you can see. Let me open up the about phone and I'll show you that we still have the same version. In your case, if you are updating it, if you had an older version, you can verify it writing here that everything went okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.